And what's up, my toe ticklers? In today's video, we're going to be playing some Roblox Build-A-Boat. But no, we are not going to be alone. We have our special guest, Sans. I know this is his channel. Give us a warm welcome, Sans. Yeah.
Oh, yay.
So today, we're going to be doing
Oh.
something very special. And what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be doing go-kart racing. Now,
Mario
in our
Kart.
last series, go-kart, yes. In last season, what we did was we did Train versus Spy Jet. That was
That's
all right.
that
But if we
big
were to do
epic.
another episode, it would have been boring. So today we're gonna be doing go-kart racing. We have this endless ramp right here that leads into the void with no content whatsoever.
It's very
And we're gonna be
long. That was she said.
yes. That's what she said. Yeah, yo, and we're gonna be racing these go-karts to the very end. We're gonna be putting some funny videos. We're gonna be putting some blooper section, right? I'm gonna make you do a blooper.
Yeah. No, no,
And
no,
then
no, no, no.
after that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do our final go-kart race. So, are you ready, Sans?
No, that's my car. You said
Oh
you're
yeah,
gonna
I
take the blue
forgot.
car.
Oh yeah, well you gotta unanchor everything.
It
Did you
is
do
an
that?
anchor. Yeah.
Is it? Well, oh wait, what's going on?
Start
Oh,
up.
I'm lagging. I'm lagging.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Actually.
3, 2, 1, go! Let's go. Ugh.
You got
No,
stuck. Oh my.
no.
You. Hold on, I'll help you. Hold on.
Wait.
Go. Hey.
Oh, let's go. No. Oh, I got stuck with both wheels.
Bro. The background music is just gonna be Mario Kart. Stop crashing into.
Well, I wish I could. It would be cool if this thing actually had some color, so that way I would know if I'm going straight or not. Okay, come on,
Just
just
tell.
chill,
I'm not.
chill,
It's not even a race. It's just.
chill.
It's not even a race anymore.
Exactly.
It's, no, I got stuck. No.
Yes, yes. Do we have to go off the map, or should we like
Yeah, we
stop
have
at
to
the
go
end
off the
and
map.
then?
We have to go off the map.
Okay, let's go. Let's
No, wait, we're at the same speed.
go.
It's
Should we just
unfair.
go back down after we reach the top?
Yeah, we can just go back down. you, want,
Okay.
you want going back down to be like another race?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, I see you.
Yeah, I smell you too. Don't worry, I'm gonna tickle your toes after this video.
Hey.
Your name is Sans Does Gaming.
Look at how
I
far away we're on the map. I think it's longer than the train tracks.
think it's longer than like all the way to the end of the map. It's longer than the map itself.
It's longer.
Than your mom.
That's what she said. Yeah.
Yo, yo, this thing doesn't end. Did you make it longer or something? Did
Duh.
you? Did you make this longer?
Yeah, it's. I think it was like. I think I
I see the
um
end.
tripled it 3 or 4 times. I don't know.
3 or 4 times. That's more, bro. This thing is
Maybe
like 10
5.
times. This thing is like thick. It's like thick like a lick.
I'm gonna delete the platform.
Whoa! I'll delete you.
you, Shem was not on.
Wait, should we do that so that way we can like
Nah, no. These pieces. No, these are like big pieces, like the
big
on
piece?
on the
Yeah,
on
I know, but
the.
not to delete this, not to delete, but like the go kart stuff to like make it harder.
No. Oh, you win.
Yeah.
No. Stop. Okay.
Yo,
I'm gonna go. Oh!
you idiot!
No.
I guess I'm going off too.
No. Oh, I see you.
Yo, you just went down so satisfying. You idiot.
No, 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 no.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Let's
Is this
go.
the third round?
No, second.
Ah, see, I'm
Alright.
faster.
Nope, I'm activating my
I see.
gum grinder thing. And since this has better steering, I'm not able to spin out
At
of
least you
control.
have better steering, but I'm faster. You're not even
The
catching
thing,
up.
the back of my car is just sticking up.
How close are you to that TV?
I don't know.
What? What's happening? Your mic.
He said, he said turtle ship.
I thought the S word.
No,
Where even are you? I don't even see you anymore.
talking about some turtle shit.
My key to escape.
To escape. No, my boat, my car, my prototype.
Just stuck?
Are you at the end?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh no, no, don't fall.
No, no.
I parked my car. Now I'm gonna run down. I'm gonna run down the. I'm just gonna walk down the slide. It's a slide.
No, don't. I'm almost there.
I'm walking. I don't see you.
Well, I'm coming.
And you.
The thing is, what kind of coming?
Is this even gonna be a video? It's
Yes,
just.
it is. You
I
just
think
need to
it's
cut this
clickbait.
part out.
It's
Just
clickbait. Guys,
no,
it's
just cut this
clickbait.
part out and just say that I was there before you, and I'm really fast and cool, and they should go subscribe.
No, no, no. Mm.
You're an
I see you. No, I see you. I see you. Actually, no, no. Don't don't knock down. Don't knock down my car. Is that like the edge? It's parked in
yeah.
at that edge. don't don't knock it down.
I would never.
I see you. You're a
I have to
tiny
keep
dot.
on reactivating my ability because I keep on floating up into the air, and I lose control, so I have to like deactivate my ability all the time. But buy porn? What?
You're a force. No, you're gonna crash into me. I see. No.
No, no. Okay, don't worry, don't worry. We're all good. We're all good.
Wait, no. You
No.
start right here. No. Stop. Stop. You're gonna. You destroy yourself.
Don't worry, I'll come back. 3, 2, 1.
Copper perks give you the deals and the food you love.
Shut up! Why do you say it like that? He said, "Nah, who you law?"
Copper
Bro, you
perks give
said
you
it
the
like with
deals
such
and the
pure
food you
intentions.
love.
Say it again.
Grandpa Perks give you, bro. Grandpa Perks give you the deals and the food you love.
why, why'd you say it like that? Oh, I'm glitched. I'm glitched. I'm glitched. Go,
No,
go, go,
we
go,
go
go.
off the edge. We go off the edge. Can go off the edge. No, no, I'm almost at the end. Yeah, and then you try to knock me off.
Ah, ah, you will never survive. It's wrong. Don't worry. We will.
Okay, I'm at the end. Now you have to try. You have to try to knock me off.
To knock you off. It'll be my pleasure.
I'm trying to get in the position to not fall.
You little baka.
Okay,
You little
I'm
baka.
in. I'm in the position.
I already tried. And I fell.
You actually fell.
You big baka, yes. Crag. You crag.
You're cheating. You're. Yeah. Oh no! Help! Help! Oh. Oh. Banana. Banana. Okay, let me count. Let me count. My rhino does.
I need them to function somehow.
Ba 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 ba. 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 Ba 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 ba.
Your thick Peabody brain would not understand. That's sussy, bussy, bussy.